Hi everybody! In this lesson, we will discover together the rectangle and the elliptical marquee selection technique available in Photoshop. As we saw in a previous lesson, the first technique to make selection in Photoshop was the rectangle marquee tool located on the top right of the toolbar. See how the rectangle marquee submenu is displayed on the screen the moment you select the tool. This submenu allows you to 1. Select the feather size. 2. Select the style of selection. To understand more what is the feather, we will explain it by an example. Set the feather size equal to 0. Select a part of the image. Copy it and paste it on a new blank document. Zoom in to see how the edges are sharp. Back to the same image. Now set the feather size equal to 15. Again, select a part of the image. Copy it and paste it on the same blank document created previously, and see how the edges are now. Regarding the style of selection, Photoshop proposes 3 types. 1. Normal. 2. Fixed ratio. 3. Fixed size. In the normal style, you are free to select the area you want. If the fixed ratio is selected, you are obliged to maintain aspect ratio you have set and to select accordingly. In the fixed size, you can make the selection area equal to the dimension set. Behind the rectangle marquee tool, you can find the elliptical marquee tool. Click and hold for 1 second on the rectangle marquee tool in order to select the elliptical marquee tool. Look how the same menu is displayed with the same features. Now it is your turn to open an image that you have saved from the internet, and then do the following. 1. Select a part of the image according to a fixed size equal to 400 pixels by 400 pixels and a feather equal to 5 pixels. 2. Create a new document with the following dimensions: width 800 pixels, height 600 pixels, and resolution 72 pixel per inch. 3. Paste the selected part of the image to the newly created document. 4. Repeat the same action with a feather equal to 0 pixels. 5. If you need to resize the pasted image, select the Move tool, then press on Ctrl-T. 6. Your final project should be like this: a blank document with 2 pasted pictures, the first with feather equal to 5 and the second feather equal to 0. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.